keys on the front. You do the wheel well. I'm not even worried about that.
Got to clear the front and the back of the engine before.
All right. Let's go up gently. I mean, it should be no stress on everybody as long as everybody stays clear. All right,
let's start taking blocks.
Hold on the road.
Driver's side, a couple more.
All right, everybody lift up just gently. All right.
Rear's low.
Okay. Watch your feet.
Watch your
toes. There you go. A little higher, guys.
You all right?
In the front. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Front.
Take it easy. Not too fast.
We lost the block back here. You're off a little bit.
That's all right. We can go left or right with the car. Let's go.
You're close.
All right, Alan.
Yeah.
Let's start going down slowly.
Okay, we lost the block back here. You want these blocks on here?
Yeah. Let me get it.
Hey,
I got it. I got
Guess you got enough help.
I guess.
Front.
Oh, Jay, you need Sam?
The tail high. Come on down. I think we're okay.
I have no weight in the very front.
All right, thanks, Sam.
Everybody with the ropes and all, let the front
I
down.
have no weight in the very front.
That's because they all got it tied up with the ropes.
Okay.
Each got it. Come down,
There
Jim.
we go, there we go.
All right, let's come down to evenly
Rear.
now.
Come down with the rear a little bit.
You guys with the ropes got more power than you think, so go ahead and let it go. Let's come on down.
Look at your hands, take a rope.
Right front
Put a
is
bike
fine.
in. Put a bike in. We got it back. Down the side. Yeah.
Be careful. Don't get too many wraps on that.
We're clear, we're clear. Oh, you're watching your
Stand on. Stop. Let Owen get untied.
Good, you got it. Okay.
Take a wrap around the 2x4.
Yeah, this is fight.
Do like a full wrap.
We're on this way?
All right,
come on.
Yeah.
All right, let's start going down. But the back's too low. Everybody in the back, hold position. Let's go down in the front. Just come on down. Just watch this, and I'm watching this.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Yeah, we're doing good, okay.
It's looking good here. Just keep coming, keep coming. Come back a little bit, forward a little bit with the body.
Come forward, yeah.
Forward a little bit with the body, whoever's got me with the, not the body, sorry. The chassis. There we go, come on down, come on down. We're almost there. The front looks good. Keep going. Actually, the front, we're down in the front. We're where we're going to be.
No.
You're not on your blocks.
We're on the block, we're in the block,
Yeah, we're on the blocks, we're the front part. I mean, this is where we stop.
You can lower it down later.
I'm going to lower it down later. Oh, are we on the blocks in the back?
I'll do it first.
Come on down.
Come on down.
Come on. That's all right.
He'll learn it afterwards.
We're done. This is it.
Alright, next move we go to UP Bridge. Now, let's just go pick that thing up.
But learn that thing,
I mean, I'm just going to first put the real big up. I got to take.
Okay. You put the big covers on it.
Yeah. There you go. I'm a How are we looking left and right here? Damn
Put
good.
the 20s on it.
Yeah.
We're going to do small football.
Well, I got you.